In this video, I will show you how to replace the sun visor of your Honda CRV. This is a 2008 model. So first of all, we need to remove this cap that is covering the screws. Take a flathead screwdriver, a knife, anything. So you're gonna put it here and unclip it. Then with your fingers, you can unclip it more. Okay, remove it and you're gonna see you will need a Torx T25 bit, just like this one, to remove the two screws. Unclip it and remove the other one. And just like that, you have removed your sun visor. To put it back, it's the same thing but in reverse. You're gonna insert it, align the two holes, and then screw it back and clip the cap. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.